Africans is terrible, but good morning. Woo! Yeah.
What's up?
What's up, man?
Bring
So,
the key.
hey,
Only key.
take my car key, bro. Ugh. Guys, so yeah, what's up, everybody? Today we're going to be chainsawing some wood. Me and my boy here. So you guys.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, this is Martin, aka
Bolo Kid.
Fresh, man. It's been a long time since I frogged. They call it the frog man. They call me the frog man. They call me the vlog man. So while Fresh is getting this car out, I'll have to get the other car out. Dang, just quite simple. So the first thing that we are going to do today is, let me just put in the gear. So the first thing that we're going to do is, hey, what am I doing wrong? Why isn't the car moving? Wait, this is weird. Oh my goodness, the key is not in. There we go. So yeah, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to Northern Industry, where we're going to rent a chainsaw out. Oh, this was really close, guys. Look at this. This is really close. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, look at that. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that was close. Do you think? Oh my goodness, I'm a terrible driver. Why are you driving a cab, bro? Why are you driving a taxi, bro? Let him drive. Ha! That's like high level English, guys. Let him drive. You're not sitting in front, bruh. Go. That's my car, and I'm sitting in front. Get back, Satan. Fresh, open up, man. Get back, Satan. I say get back. Get back, bro. Open up, man. What's your problem? This is illegal, guys. When you're the passenger, you're not allowed to push your feet on the, what do you call this thing? Desktop. Like a laptop. Desktop. So yeah, let go. My Africans is terrible, but hey. Moses, kill the moose, bro. Hey, bro, that's rude, bro. You can't be in your phone while I'm talking to you. Right now we are on the autobahn where we can drive 400 kilometers per hour. Please don't show me your sharp finger. You're speeding. You're probably wondering, focus. You're probably wondering why is I'm sorry, bro. I mean, Martin driving, and why am I not driving? First of all, I'm an illegal driver.
Yeah.
Put on your seatbelt, bro. And you are an illegal driver. I only see you driving on the farm. Tractors, you're not allowed to drive. You're not allowed to drive tractors without a license. Trying to spin this man on the road. I swear I'm the bro, I need the beat dropping, hey. This come on, show me. Hey. Yeah. I'm killing. So unfortunately, we're kind of a little bit lost. So we have to use GPS to find the place, and we have no idea where we are. Let me use the GPS for a while. Oops. After all that hassle, my goodness, guys, finally made it at the spot where we should be, which is Unit 6, John Maria Street, something too higher, where we're going to get the chainsaw. Grrrr. How you feel?
Yeah.
So what? Did you just say so sexy? Did you just say so sexy, bro?
Oh, I didn't say.
What did you say?
I said sorry.
Sorry for what?
Because
Yeah, so right now we're here waiting for the chainsaw to be prepared. Yeah. He thinks he owns the place. So yeah, right now we're here at this venue while we wait for the chainsaw to be prepared. Okay, yeah, so we got the chainsaw. Let's see the chainsaw, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so we just went into an accident here right now on our way home from getting the chainsaw, and this is a little scratch on the car. It's a fresh move. So now he's explaining why and how, what happened to the car. How do you feel? You feel still good? You're blocking the way now, brah. You're blocking the way.
Check what happened to my car.
Yeah, now you're blocking the way. Look at the traffic. Look at that. How do you feel?
I'm not feeling.
Being in an accident for the first time. A little accident.
Yeah.
It's a weird feeling, man.
Yeah.
And now we've been waiting for the cops for like 30 minutes. So we are home. We are finally home. And we are about to start now. Round one, go! Yes. After using it for how many minutes? 5 minutes. Already. Hey. Capiche?
Not 5 minutes, 3 minutes.
3 minutes, huh? Bad rental service. Bad. A little bit more. Nah. So after the struggle. No, just a little bit. After the struggle of calling and asking them to help us and assist us fix this machine, but now they told us we can keep it for like the whole weekend since it was broken, but since it ain't. How did you know what to do?
I'm an engineer, my dear.
My dear, don't my dear me, please. I'm not your dear.
My friend.
Yeah, that's more like it. Yeah, so we got it fixed and we're going to continue with our work, grinding and grinding and grinding and grinding. I'm just messing with you, but wait, guys, it's fake fire. You can literally just do this to it. So how fake it is. This is so fake.
Start the machine, my friend. Start.
Why are you the only one laughing? Everyone is not so happy, but you just seem to be so excited.
The Lord is my helper, and people can't do anything to me.
Oh, what dance is that? You ate this too much zoom. Zoom out. This camera is stuck, right? Zoom. There we go. Hey, Toyota police, what do you want, man? Oh, bands. There she goes. How do you feel now? How was your day so far? Best day of your life, ne? Yeah.
I don't want to say anything.
No comment. What a day. We're back home. Me and the boys. By the way, this is my cousin and this is all my cousin. One kind of day that we will remember forever. Because the struggle we went through, the accident, the chainsaw not working, it was crazy. But we made it home now. And you know what? I'm going to end the vlog right here, right now. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and join the family. We're still growing, we're still starting up. It's a humble beginning, guys. So hey, thank you for watching until the end. For those that watch until the end, and peace out. Deuces. Okay, really. Peace out, guys. Hey.